Hi guys, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to set up a business manager account on LinkedIn. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more exclusive contents like this. So let's jump right straight in. So you open your browser, then you input this link, businessonlinkedin.com/advertise/add/business manager. Then you click on enter. So this is going to bring you to LinkedIn Business Manager. Then we're going to create a new account. So you click on Create Business Manager. Okay, so we're going to add the name. Yes, next. Next Level Academy. You could also add a logo. Then you input your email address you want to use. Then you select Manage My Business. If it's for your client, you select Manage My Client or Other Business. So you click on Create. So you have to confirm your email. You could copy the confirmation button on your email and paste it on your browser. Okay, so accept and confirm. So go to Open Business Manager. So what I just did now is to confirm the email. So I've clicked on the confirmation link sent to this email address. So this is the Next Level Academy Business Manager. Okay. So next we're going to add pages. So I'm going to add a page. So click on Add Page. So add a page. Add a page owned by your business. So I'm going to select Next Level. So I'm going to select this one. Okay, then I click on Add. Very, very simple. So you can see Next Level was added. So the next thing we're going to do is to create an ad account. So click Add. So now you see this ad account, we're going to claim this one. So this is the ID. So this ID, look at it here. So we're going to copy it from here. So we copy, click on Add Account, claim ownership. Then we paste this ID. Then click on Add. So you can see one ad account added. Got it.